and welcome to Add More Zest. It is Fansells Friday. Sorry for the delay in this one. Parcel got stuck at customs for a little bit. So we're going to have a couple of weeks of Fansells Fridays, but I'm very excited that it's here. You may see, let's start with the first one because I couldn't resist this gorgeous storage case. Many of you will have a storage case, hang on, oh, plastic, similar to this. I have many similar to this, but I love having different designs. I really do favour them from the older black ones with a different coloured zip, which back in the day, for those of us that have diamond painted for quite a while, were the only ones you could get. But now they are coming out with absolutely amazing designs for them. So I wanted to showcase this one from Fansells because I think it's funky. I've got two that are more blues. One is more of a turquoise blue and one is more of a royal blue type colouring in their pattern, but this one is definitely more pink and purple. You do get some extra goodies with it, but this is the part that I'm very excited to use. I love picking different colour cases of the 60 bottle cases for different kits, especially if I have a few kitted up at once. While I'm trying to avoid that this year, there will be times when I have more than one kitted up. June event, for example, December event, and there may be something else that causes more than one to be kitted up. So different pretty cases are always worth it. Plus, you never know, my kids may end up having ones that are kitted up at some point as well. So these have the nice deep bottles, the nice size depth bottles with the screw top, which causes less mistakes. In my opinion, less errors. You do have space to pop bits in the top if you want things for on the go. So I'm very excited for this one to be going on my shelf with my other pretty cases. In this you do also get quite a few extras. So you get some plain round stickers for labelling up your bottles. You get a funnel, and then it looks like a pink accessory vest in here. We have 4 different squishies which go on the end of your pens to help them be a little bit more comfortable. You do get 4 pens, few different size multi-placers in the end and single placers in that end. You get some plastic tweezers, some little clips that can help your diamond painting to stay on your light pad. You get a couple of little pink trays, a bucket ton of some pink wax, some baggies and a straightener. This is really good for a couple of different things. If you're working on squares, if you lay it down on the edge, it can help you get your line straight. It can also be really good for like nudging diamonds over that you've placed and helping to straighten up your lines. So a very good little goodie bag. I might keep that out and available because the pink is prettier than my my white one. Why not have a pink one? Because I can. So I'll keep that out of the packaging. But yes, very, very excited for this case. I will, of course, pop links to everything down below, but a very good price on this case. Built just as well as the others, but has a prettier pattern. And then I do have a couple of diamond paintings as well. Got a bit of a theme on the next few Fansells, either storage or off the canvas, along with a couple of paintings. But this one is a 30 by 40. It's like a city scene. This looks to be a more true 30 by 40, but let me just check. Yes, so that is 40 across by 30. So the actual drill area is 30 by 40 on this one. It is a square diamond painting. It does have DMC numbers, and it's this beautiful sort of city street, party street type scene. All the diamonds for this one come in little baggies. We do have quite a lot of white for, of course, that background, but we have some other gorgeous rustic and also pastel, a mixture of rustic and pastel colours in that one. And this one I get the posher toolkit. So that's painting number 1. Painting number 2, I've gone bright with painting number 2, or brighter should I say. This one is a 30 by 30. It's more of a pastel. I suppose not bright, is it? It's pastel, colourful. That's what it is. It's more colourful, but it's pastels. It is a round. This one, say it's a 30 by 30, but it's actually 24 centimetres by 24 centimetres. So it does have a 3 centimetre border all the way around, but you can still make out the picture. Absolutely gorgeous. This one has 21 different colours. I say this one is in a round. Does come with DMC numbers, and all the symbols on this one are actually just numbers and letters. So quite a nice simple pattern to follow. In this one you get the basic toolkit, cream boat, pen and wax. And then here's the diamonds. Oh, they actually come in little packets. We have, oh, some beautiful pinks. We have some gorgeous blues. Quite a few different pinks and burgundies. Oh, that's a pretty peach. Pretty peach colour. Hot pink. Gorgeous green. I like that. Another pink. More of a orange corally type colour. Then we also have some pretty blues and a bluey grey. So very nice colours in that one that will give you this gorgeous lily with all the other sort of flowers, lily pads, etc. in the background. That is sweet. I love the pastel. We've got pastel, we've got vibrant, and we have more muted for today's selections. I just divided up the diamond painting, so I didn't actually pick to have this one as bright pastel and muted, but I'm all for it. I think they are all gorgeous in their own right for very different reasons, but they are, without a shadow of a doubt, all of them are very, very fairly and nicely priced, should we say. So I will pop links to each individual one down below. Do be warned, you can get lost for hours on that site, and I do every couple of months. I get lost for hours on that site. But yeah, always, you know, apart from customs, which of course they have absolutely no control over. I don't even know who has control over the UK customs, but anyway, apart from that, I have always had everything turn up, you know, fairly quickly. It does come from abroad, so it does take time, but I've never had anything where I'm like, where on earth are you? Apart from this one, because of customs. But anyway, I say I will pop links to them down below. Thank you to Fansells, especially for adding to my storage collection. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.